Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "A virtual machine is running" gaming error on your Windows PC. First, press the Windows key, type Turn Windows Features on or off, and open the result. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and look for options related to virtualization. Uncheck Virtual Machine Platform, Hypervisor Platform if available, and Windows Defender Application Guard if it is enabled on your system. Click OK and wait for Windows to apply the changes. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, press the Windows key again, type Core Isolation, and open the Windows Security Settings page. Under Core Isolation, find the Memory Integrity option and switch it off. This feature can sometimes make games think virtualization is enabled. Restart your PC once more so the change can take effect. If the error still appears, check whether any virtual machine software is running in the background. Open Task Manager. Look through the Processes and Services tabs for programs related to VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, or other emulators. End any active virtualization processes and close the applications completely. Once these steps are finished, launch your game again and check if the error has been resolved. Thanks for watching.